Dave Schroeder on the Rural Radio Network, and of course, KRVN Radio is involved with announcing irrigation load control announcements each day, Monday through Saturday of each week, and of course on some Sundays, but it hasn't happened very much on Sundays lately, and so I'm visiting with Dawson Public Power District's Manager of Engineering and Technology, Cole Brodeen. First of all, Cole, tell us a little bit about why power districts like Dawson implements load control for irrigators.
Sure. Yeah, we work with Nebraska Public Power District to implement the load control program. And the purpose of the load control program is to prevent Dawson Power and all of our customers from having to pay more money to NPPD so that they build additional power plants. So by shaving the peak off, it keeps us from having to build those more expensive peaking power plants and saves everybody money that we would have had to spend there. And then it still allows the customers to run overnight when loads are lower.
Mm-hmm. Usually load control is usually held Monday through Saturday and not very often on Sundays, but this coming Sunday could be a possible load control day.
Yes, that's correct. We're seeing some high loads just due to the heavy watering that occurs this time of year for the corn and soybean crops. And then our participation in the Southwest Power Pool. So we're seeing a multi-state region that's experiencing higher than normal loads, so that peak shaving is needed, especially right now with the especially high temperatures and loads.
Tell me, over this past summer, how has irrigation load control gone for Dawson Public Power District?
Yeah, we've had a season with more load control than the past few years, but it's still not really a historic high like 2012 or some of the other major drought years that we remember. But this year has been about double the amount of control years of, say, the past 2 years or so that we're used to seeing. And the season's not over yet, so there's probably more load control to come.
Mm-hmm. Any other message for producers out there, not only Dawson, but other public power districts that might have this unusual load control this Sunday?
Yes, I just want to remind customers that everybody is eligible for control on Sunday, and Nebraska Public Power and all of the districts, we are going to work to keep control hours as short as possible since it's Sunday, and just limit that as much as possible so hopefully everybody can get the watering in that they need and stay caught up.
So people should be continuing to listen to KRVN 880 AM along with their other channels of Twitter, email, and messages that they might get too.
Yeah, please stay tuned into KRVN. We'll send all the updates for all the power districts in the listening area, as we always do. And it's a great place to hear what's happening and stay up to date on load control.
We've been visiting with Cole Brodeen. He's the Manager of Engineering and Technology at Dawson Public Power District on the possibility of irrigation load control on this Sunday. And reporting on the Rural Radio Network, I'm Dave Schroeder.